Welcome to our channel. Today we how to cancel Evernote Premium membership, beginner guide step by step clearly. To cancel your Evernote Premium membership, start by opening the Evernote app on your device or visiting the Evernote website. If you are using the mobile app, tap on the menu icon located in the upper left corner of the screen. From the menu, select Settings. Next, look for the Account Info section. Here, you'll find the option labeled Manage Subscription. Tap on it to proceed. If you are using a web browser, sign into your Evernote account on the official website. Once logged in, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select Account Settings from the drop-down menu. Scroll down to the Subscription section. Click on the Cancel Subscription link. You may be prompted to provide a reason for your cancellation. Choose an appropriate reason from the list or provide your feedback. After that, confirm your cancellation request. You should receive a confirmation email once your subscription has been successfully canceled. It's important to check your email for this confirmation to ensure the process was completed. Follow the specific instructions for your chosen service to finalize the cancellation. Remember, if you cancel your premium membership, you will retain access to your account, but it will be downgraded to the free version. Make sure to back up any important notes or data before completing the cancellation process. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.